This is Chase Gilmer. This is Emily Ashmore. And the one that's coming in is White Mason. What we're going to play, this is what happens when you play baseball in the living room.
With the cane, that's the problem.
With the cane.
I want to break something. Start it over.
Home run.
I guess.
What if you get the real bat? I'm at home run too.
Home run?
Where's the ball? Where's the ball?
Woohoo!
Alright,
White Sox! I'm just kidding.
You hit them.
Okay, ready?
Oh my god! That was perfect! Oh my gosh, that was good! That was perfect!